In this example, we're looking to combine these two fractions to simplify them. First of all, we can see that we've got 2x fifths minus x plus 5 quarters. These are not the same size fractions. We need to make a common denominator. The most straightforward denominator to use would be to be found by multiplying those two numbers together. So we'll change them into 20ths. To rewrite 2x over 5 in terms of 20ths, we can see that we've multiplied the denominator to make it 4 times bigger, and to keep the fraction the same we need to multiply the numerator by 4 as well. So that's going to give us 8x over 20. 2x over 5 is equivalent to 8x over 20. In the same way, we've got x plus 5 over 4, and that needs to be a number of 20ths. In order to change the denominator, we've multiplied it and made 5 times bigger, so we need to do the same with the numerator. You can leave the numerator as 5 times x plus 5 point if you like, or you can expand it out. Let's now rewrite the problem with the equivalent fractions. So 2x over 5 was equivalent to 8x over 20, and we take off x plus 5 over 4 was equivalent to, we may as well expand it out now, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 5 is 25 over 20. We can now finally simplify by combining that fraction because they are all 20ths. We have 8x here, so we've got 8x. And then we have to take off all of this fraction. So we have to take off the 5x, and we also have to take off the 25, take off the positive 25. To simplify, that's going to give us, we can see that we have 8x minus 5x, which is going to give us 3x minus 25 over 20. In question 11, we are doing dividing fractions, and when dividing fractions, we don't actually divide fractions, we write an equivalent multiplication. So 2x divided by 5, or 2x over 5 divided by 4x over 5 is equivalent to 2x over 5 multiplied by the reciprocal, multiplied by 5 over 4x. The numerators multiplied together is 2x times 5, which is 10x. The denominators multiplied together, 5 times 4 is 20 times x. From this point we need to simplify our answer. The highest common factor of 10 and 20 is 10, so 10 over 20 is going to leave us with 1 over 2, and x divided by x is going to leave us with x divided by x is going to give us 1 over 1. And so our final answer will be 1 over 2.